In this video, we will know that how to fix Wi-Fi missing problem. So guys, if you are using Windows 11, Windows 10 and Wi-Fi option is not displayed on your taskbar, so how to fix it in this video? We will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. Right click here start button and click here device manager option. And after that guys, find here action menu. Okay, you can see here there are action menu. Click on it. Okay, and click here scan for hardware changes. Okay, after that guys, click here network adapter. Okay, in this list, if Wi-Fi adapter is not displayed, it means your Wi-Fi driver is not installed on your PC, so reinstalled. So next method is right click here start button and click here run and type here cmd and click here OK button. So guys, type here some command. Type here NETSH WinSock reset and press enter from the keyboard. And after that guys, type here a second command NETSH and press enter. These are okay. Okay, your complete is action and close this window. Now click here restart button and restart your PC. After complete these command, restart your PC. And if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. Right click here start button and click here device manager option and find here network adapter. Expand it. Find here your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, this is our Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it and click here disable device. Click here yes. Now again right click on it and click here enable device. After that guys, right click again on this option and click here update driver. Click here second option and click here this option and click here this and click here next button. So after that guys, again right click on this option and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, our problem is fixed here. If your problem is not fixed, right click again on this Wi-Fi adapter and click here uninstall device. Uninstall it. Okay, there are no Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, now click here this icon scan for hardware changes. So it will automatically reinstall your Wi-Fi driver. Okay, now close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, you can see here our Wi-Fi is displayed here. Now click here start button and click here setting option if your problem is not fixed. Click here network and internet option. And guys, if this option is off, on it and click here advanced network setting. Okay, and minimize and click here network reset option and restart now and click here yes. So guys, your network get reset here. So guys, after that press function key plus Wi-Fi key from your keyboard. Okay, so press these two button and check your problem is fixed or not. So I hope guys your problem is fixed here. If your problem guys fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.